Let's look at addition with and without trading. Our first step is to add the units, and they're on our right-hand side. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we write that in our units column. It's really important that we keep everything lined up. Our next job is to add the tens. 4 plus 2 is 6. So our final answer is 64. Now there was no trading or regrouping involved in this sum. Let's try another one that involves trading or regrouping. Now we still follow the same process. We start with our units. 5 plus 6 is 11. And we place the unit side of this number in our unit column. We then place the tens side of this number in our tens column. Now we move on to our tens. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus one more from earlier on is 11. Because there's nothing else to add, we can write down 11 in full. So 45 plus 66 equals 111.